Hello, this is Netta Talmor here from No Hassle website and from All Things No Hassle. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to record these kind of videos that I make all the time. So it's very, very simple. You need to use the Chrome browser. And once you have the Chrome browser, you need to search on Google for an extension called Loom. So all you do is you write Loom Chrome extension, and you're going to find a link here, and you're going to click on that. And once you have that, you're going to install it. Now, mine is already installed, of course, because I am recording with it as we speak. But you will click on the side here where it will tell you to install it. And within a couple of clicks, it will be part of your Chrome browser. So you see here at the top, I have all kinds of little icons. This one is the one for Loom. All you need to do after that is to click on it whenever you want to record your screen. It will offer you the option of recording your screen with a video, showing your face, or just the screen. And that's basically it. It will save it and give you a link that you can share. I use it for everything. This is how I answer emails instead of typing them. This is how I do tutorials. This is how I give instructions to my VA to learn things. It has changed my life. It's super, super easy. And of course, you can also do long videos with it. So you can create, lessons for courses or whatever you want. It's free. There is a pro version that allows you to do some more advanced things, but you don't usually need it at all. So I only use the free version. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you need anything or have any other questions. Bye-bye.